I'm Sunny from EnjoyYourMac.com, and I'm here to show you Dropzone by Aptonic. Dropzone is a powerful application that brings you actions in a stack-like interface. As you can see here, we have zip an email, share text, install applications, and FTP upload by default. Now the rest of these here were developed by third-party developers who use the powerful Ruby API that's included in Dropzone to develop these third-party add-ons. Now I've actually managed to develop GoTo, MD5, and TweetTweet using the Ruby API, and that can be found on Aptonic's website, aptonic.com. Now right here, I'm going to show you zip an email and how powerful it is. Now we have these three files here. We have the Apple Unix briefing, Dropzone API, and Leopard security briefing. Now I'm going to take these and drag these down to Dropzone, and Dropzone is going to open up automatically when I hover over it with files. Now I'm going to go over to here, and as you see, when I move over a couple of these icons, they start turning gray, or they get a shadow. That means that they've been specifically made to interact with files being dragged over them. Now I'm going to take these and drag them over as zip an email, and you see right there, it's creating a zip archive. Message created, it gives me a confirmation of that, and it puts them in a files.zip file in a new email message. So that's definitely a time saver if you're ever trying to quickly take a couple files, zip them together, just drag them onto Dropzone, zip an email, and it will put it in a new email for you. Now right here, I'm going to show you share text. That's going to open up a new Safari window or a new web browser window to pasty.org, and you can start entering code. So if you were a coder, or you just wanted to quickly paste something into here, like say you want to plain text and you want to send someone an email, these are instructions of how to develop for Dropzone. And you could start typing there, and this is a service, pasty.org, where you can paste and it will host that pasting for you. Now right now I'm going to show you GoTo. I developed GoTo because I was tired of having to enable hidden files in Finder whenever I wanted to get into my bin folder. Now, it displays a slash there, so that is the root directory on your computer. So from there, I'm going to type in a hidden folder name. And if you look right here, it opened up the bin folder. I'll do it again, and I'm going to open up the USR folder. And right here, you can see it opened up that folder. So if you ever want to navigate to a direct file in there, you can do it quickly in there. Now I'm also going to show you MD5 that I've created. MD5 is a type of hashing that allows you to take text and put this into a long string of codes. It's used to secure passwords in databases. If you're familiar with SQL, then you'll know if you are creating an SQL database of passwords, you want to MD5 it before you store it in there for security reasons. That way, if someone were to look into this database, they wouldn't be able to see users' passwords or information. They'd just be able to see a long string of hashes that can't be decrypted easily. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in the word hello, and it just pasted it there. It pasted it onto my clipboard, so I'm going to open up Text Wrangler and paste it in here, and right here we have the MD5 of the word hello. This is very useful if you're a web developer and you constantly have to look up the MD5. Now, the last application that I developed, it's not really that advanced of an application. It's actually very simple if you look at the coding for this. What this does is it displays a window for Tweety. You have to have Tweety installed on your computer, and what you're going to do is you're going to say, what do you want to tweet? I'm going to say, hello world. It opens up a new Tweety tweet, hello world, and I can post this. And it posts it to my Twitter account. Now you need to have Tweety installed for that. It uses a very simple URL scheme to insert a text into a URL directed at Tweety, and Tweety will open up a new window for that. Not very complicated, but it is what it is. Now, you also have a whole bunch of other add-ons. Those are available at aptonic.com/extend. You can see a list of those, and there's a whole list of them you can install for just about every purpose, which is why Dropzone is so powerful. Dropzone stays right down in your stacks, or you can move it over to your applications, and it was recently updated to 0.31, and this version gets rid of it appearing in the command tab, as well as adds support for if you have dock magnification on like I do. Dropzone is a very amazing application. Try it yourself. Apptonic.com. Dropzone is $10 for Mactonic software. Once again, I'm Sunny from EnjoyYourMac.com, and have a very nice day.